Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Kindsuit case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're looking for premium protection and sleek design without adding too much bulk to your phone, stick around, this review is for you. Okay, so this is Samsung's official Kindsuit case. This is for the S25 Ultra. Not much to the unboxing. We'll go ahead and open it up so you can see what it's like if you decide to pick one of these up. As you can see here, if we get a little closer, it's got some faux leather on it. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. Okay, and there is the case. As you can see, there is some faux leather looking on the back there, so it's going to give you some grip. You can see there's the cutouts for your cameras there. Let's go ahead and take this off of there, see if there's anything else in here. And we just got some papers that come with it. Show you how to install it. And here is the case. So as I said, you can see there's perfect cutouts for the cameras and the flash. Around the side here, we've got our volume up and volume down and our power button. So if we get a little closer, let's see if we can get that to focus. You can see there's kind of a metallic color to the buttons. So we'll check those out. Looking around the bottom, we've got our open port for the USB-C. We've got the speaker and our S Pen. Around the side, nothing there. And around the top, we do have the hole for the microphone. Okay, so this case, it has a nice soft touch on the inside. So this is going to protect your phone from any scratches, which is nice. I always like to see that. So let's go ahead and throw this on the phone and take a look. So right now I've got my S25 Ultra. I've been using this Pitaka Moonrise case. I really like this case, very minimal. If you want to check out the video, go ahead and click the link above. I did a unboxing first impressions. I really like the ability to have the MagSafe on here. So let's go ahead and pop this thing off, and we'll go ahead and throw on the new Samsung case. And there we go. So we'll just go ahead and slide that in there. Let's see, it pops in there nice and easy. And so you can see perfect cutouts for those cameras and the flash, and perfect cutouts there. Lines up for our USB-C port, our speaker, and our S Pen. We can get the S Pen out with no issues and pop that back in there. And then around the top, like I said, there is that one port for the speaker. All right, so first impressions in the hand, it does feel pretty premium. It's nice. I do like that little bit of grip on the back, and I do like the look of that texture. Get a little bit closer there so you can see it is a faux leather case. So really nice to see that. Doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. I don't see much bulk there. Let's see. And it looks like it actually flattens out the camera bump. So that will be nice when you're using it flat and there's no wobble. So if you're typing or using the keyboard, anything to do with the keyboard while it's on the table, you do not have that rocking issue. All right, so let's talk about the case. It's crafted out of lightweight, durable material. The Kindsuit case provides solid everyday protection without compromising the sleek design of the S25 Ultra, which I really appreciate that. A lot of cases add too much bulk, and it takes away from the aesthetics of the S25 Ultra and its design there. Let me just go ahead and show you there. All right, so on the side here, we do have our power button and our volume up and down, and they feel pretty clicky. Let's just go ahead and unlock the phone. You can see, yep, no issues there. Everything seems to work good. Click on the power button, and no issues there with the power button either. So overall, I think I like this case. I have been using, like I said, the Pitaka for a while. One thing I will talk about, one of the cons in my opinion, is that Samsung really missed out on adding any type of MagSafe. This phone supports the Qi 2 wireless charging. There are no Qi 2 magnets, and therefore their cases I was hoping would actually have some type of MagSafe, but this one does not. Okay, so let's talk about protection. While it doesn't turn your phone into a tank, it does provide some solid protection for drops, scratches, and daily wear, which is nice. There are some raised edges, so you're going to get some protection to the screen there. So if we just drop that down, that's not going to have any issue. You shouldn't have any scratches on the screen. The Kindsuit also offers a few different color options. So this one, I believe, is I think they call it the titanium gray, but there are a few other colors that you can choose from. There's a really nice yellow looking one that I wanted to get, but that one's always out of stock. So you can always match your phone case to your personal style. So really appreciate that from Samsung, but they do need to get some better colors. A lot of them are very muted. So I enjoy, some of the brighter, fun colors. Swapping between cases is really simple. So all you have to do is just push down on the edges on each side here, and the phone comes out. Give you that added protection that your phone's not going to just slip out of the case. But as you can see, I can just pop it into the other case here, and no problem. And that works just fine. So swapping between cases should be fairly easy for you using the Kindsuit. Whether you prefer a classic black or a more eye-catching color, there's pretty much a look for everyone with the Kindsuit case. And that about wraps up the look at the Kindsuit case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's slim, it's stylish, and most of all, it is protective. A solid choice for any Galaxy owner. Have you tried it? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so you get updated when new videos get uploaded. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.